In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn page to Hootsuite. In order to get the most out of Hootsuite, you want to connect your LinkedIn page so that you can manage posts, monitor activity, and keep everything organized in one place. This connection is usually quick as long as you follow each screen carefully. To begin, you will click Social Accounts at the top right. This is the area where Hootsuite collects all the platforms you can connect, like LinkedIn, Facebook, and other social networks. After you click Social Accounts, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct menu. On screen, you should see options for connecting different networks, or a section that lists currently connected accounts. Next, you will select LinkedIn from the network list. Look for the network name labeled LinkedIn, then click it so Hootsuite knows which integration you want to set up. Choosing the right network here matters, because the rest of the steps will guide you through connecting a LinkedIn account or page specifically. After that, you will click Connect with LinkedIn and log in. This step typically opens the LinkedIn sign-in window in a new panel or a new page. You should log in using the credentials associated with the LinkedIn account that has permission to access the LinkedIn page you want to connect. Take your time during this part. If you use a browser that has multiple saved accounts, make sure you select the correct one so the correct page permissions are available. Once you have successfully logged in, the next screen will show you options related to which LinkedIn pages are available to connect. Now you will select the LinkedIn page you want to link from the list. This part is important because Hootsuite does not just connect LinkedIn in general. It connects a specific page, so you need to pick the correct one from the drop-down or list. Look carefully at the page name and make sure it matches the page you manage. Finally, you will click Add to complete the connection. When you press Add, Hootsuite will finalize the linking process and connect that LinkedIn page to your social accounts. Depending on your setup, you might see a confirmation message or the connected page appearing in the social accounts area. If you do not immediately see it, wait a few moments and refresh the page if needed, but avoid repeating the connection process too many times. After the connection is complete, it is a good idea to double-check that the LinkedIn page appears correctly in your Hootsuite dashboard under Social Accounts. Confirm that the page shows the expected status, because this verifies that Hootsuite can access it for future scheduling and publishing. Also, keep in mind that permissions matter. If you cannot find the correct page in the list, you may not have the right access on the LinkedIn side, and the connection cannot be completed with that page. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.